Hey friends, if you wish to type accents or accented characters, okay, on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, all of these are available on the character map. So here's what you have to search: character in the Windows search bar and open character map. Let's say that this asterisk is an accented character that I wish to use. Before this, I will select the point at which I wish to use it. Okay, let's say in front of Windows, and then I will click on this, okay, and click on select. It will reach the option where it says characters to copy. Then copy it and then paste it here. For pasting, you can press Ctrl plus V or just right click and paste it using this one. So this is how you can use accented characters or accents on Windows. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.